6th is my birthday and I went to the Dogme musical, so I bought these. A Magicus Pixis and this. Daddy will help me when he's in the kitchen. First, we'll do this Crybaby. Now, this is brand new from space and it's kind of like a monster thingy or something. Okay, let's see who we got. We got this little we've got this girl. Let's see who she is. Her name is Bubba. We've gotten Bubba. Now let's see.
Ooh, cool.
Now for this stuff to get everything out, you're gonna need a parent's help.
Would you like some assistance?
Yes, you're gonna need some parents' help for this. And this is a surprise. We could either get a green binky or a green bow tie. Chances are you may not get it. Let's see. And we've gotten no binky. That wasn't it. And let's get all these stuff in. Okay. You're gonna need a parent assistant to put this rubbery clothes on.
Ooh, fun.
And here she is! Now, this is a buggy thing. But there's something special. If we make her cry with tears in it, they cry slime tears. And it goes in this thing. So, let's put this in! And this is not appropriate. Can you fill this with water? I do not want to see that roll this.
You don't like seeing her?
Looks like their clothes are rubbery. And look at her eyes.
Here you go.
I heard she cries slime.
Okay.
So how do we do that?
I don't know.
So, All we need to do is just put the slime in here. Can you do the trick?
What trick?
I don't know how to make her cry slime.
Neither do I.
Can we look at an ad or something?
It might be in the directions. You want to hand me the directions?
We'll come back with this later. For now, let's see this. Magicus Pixis. Now. Let's open this thing up, baby. You might need a parent's help for this. We come back to that. Look at these googly eyes. Now. Here it is, the secret ingredient. We need to follow these steps.
Step 1. Potion can get messy. Place your potion bottle on a plate for easy cleanup.
It says to remove this. There.
Okay. Step 2. Pour in your pixeling powder elixir. Alright. Goes in here. Do you want to do it? So put it in there and then lift that up. So I can see it.
Blue.
Okay, lift and pour. Wipe any spilled pixeling elixir using a damp cloth. Pixeling elixir dries clear and should not stain most common surfaces. So far we haven't spilled any, so that's good. It's still going. See?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pixeling powder is in.
There we go. Step 2. Step 3.
Step 3. Fill the potion to the line with water. Let me get some water.
It worked.
Oh, good.
Now, before we continue this, let's see. Let's continue this, and then
Alright.
we'll. Oh, break.
Step 4. Sprinkle in the dream dust. Okay.
I think we're supposed to cut it open.
Ah, I see. turn it, tip it over into the lip there. Sprinkle in your dream dust. Okay. Did it all come out? Should be little like stars. Oh, here's. Hold your hand out. I'll. You can show them what that is. Okay.
Sparkle in your dream dust so that your spell won't go rust.
Now we're going to pour in the Pixling Magic Elixir. Point is number 5 there, step 5.
You'll maybe need a grown-up's house to cook.
Yeah, this because it can stand. All right, you can lift it up. Okay. Now that it's going in. Pixling Elixir dries clear and should not stain. Still going.
And step 6, we add a unicorn horn.
Yeah.
And I'll get that one ready.
Okay. Step 6, add a sparkle horn. Show them.
It's like a unicorn horn.
Nice. Alright. That in? Okay, now remove the golden ring to reveal the magic words. Looks like the golden ring was already pulled off.
Magicus Mixus!
Magicus Mixus. Turn the crystal gem until it stops. Go ahead, keep turning. Alright. Say the magic words.
Magicus Mixus!
Push down hard twice on the crystal gem. 1, 2. Release and wait a minute for your potion to turn clear. Ooh, you can see it going. See it?
Yes. Now while we wait for that, let's see the buggy.
Well, let's leave it in view though, just so they can see that something's happening.
We'll wait.
There you go.
And let's fill this buggy with slime.
Yeah.
You'll need a grown-up's help for that.
I'm gonna cry into it, I think.
Yep. This could get messy, so that's why I need a grown-up's help.
Can you go get me a toothpick?
Where do you keep the toothpicks?
In the other drawer. Could you pull one out, please? I only have one here. Thank you.
Do you think the water's clear enough?
Not yet. Oh, what? Yeah, it is.
Well, that's almost done with this. I'll take a look at the extraction. Step 9. Oh, look.
What's it say?
Okay, step 8. Unscrew the lid.
Ooh, let's put it on a plate so that we can make sure it doesn't dribble.
Okay.
There you go. Unscrew the lid. Pull the cylinder out.
Then
Unscrew the cylinder cap.
step 3.
Use the golden ring as a doll stand. Yeah, you should be able to just pull it right on out.
Wow. show it to everyone. And eat.
There you go. That's your
Eat.
Magicus Mixus pixeling.
Ta-da!
And I have put the slime in here for you.
Then we put this in.
There you go.
We'll wipe off her tears.
Yeah.
Put her helmet back on. Then put her on the buggy. Can you help me?
Oh, sure.
It's really tiny. And this Magicus Lixus is really cute.
I don't know how to get her in there.
Maybe there's the recipes from the Crybaby book. Where is it?
I don't know.
Well, Daddy.
I mean, we can do it this way.
Ah. This
There we
is.
go. Now put it in.
Let's take a moment to see this Magicus Elixir. Really cool. With her little wings and her ponytail and her little cute little shoes. And her
There she
cute
is.
little dress. And this is a buggy. So we got a buggy, we got this Crybaby, and this thing. Don't forget to get a like and subscribe. Bye.